Maddy, the mechanic. Tow Truck loved her garage. It was her special place where she could work on all kinds of vehicles and help her friends. Every morning, she would roll into her garage with a big smile on her face, ready to take on the day's challenges. It was big and red. The bright color made it stand out in the neighborhood, and everyone knew that Maddy's garage was the place to go for any car troubles. The large open doors welcomed everyone, making it a friendly and inviting place. It had all kinds of tools. From wrenches to screwdrivers, hammers to pliers, Maddy had everything she needed to fix any problem. Each tool had its own special place on the wall, neatly organized and ready for use. Maddy took great pride in her collection, always making sure everything was in perfect order. Maddy used them to fix her friends. Whether it was a flat tire, a broken engine, or just a routine checkup, Maddy was always there to lend a helping hand. Her friends knew they could count on her, and they often came by just to say hello and see what she was working on. One day, Maddy was cleaning up. She liked to keep her garage spotless, so she spent some time each day tidying up. It was important to her that everything was in its place, so she could find what she needed quickly and easily. She put away her wrenches. Each one had a specific spot on the wall, and Maddy made sure they were all lined up perfectly. She knew that a well-organized workspace was key to being efficient and getting the job done right. She organized her nuts and bolts. Maddy had a special drawer for each size and type, and she carefully sorted them, making sure everything was in order. It was a small task, but it made a big difference in her work. Everything was in its place. Maddy smiled. She loved the feeling of a clean and organized garage, and it made her proud to see everything looking so neat. It was a reflection of her hard work and dedication to her craft.
"My garage is the best!" Maddy exclaimed with joy. She knew that her garage was more than just a place to work. It was a place where friendships were built, problems were solved, and dreams were made. It was her happy place, and she wouldn't trade it for anything in the world.
Suddenly, Maddy heard a sound. Clank! Clank! What was that? Maddy looked around. She didn't see anything. Clank! Clank! There it was again. Maddy was worried. She didn't like the sound.
"Maybe my friends can help."
Maddy called her friends. Her car had broken down on the side of the road and she didn't know what to do. She was feeling a bit panicked and needed some help fast. She quickly grabbed her phone and dialed her friends, hoping they would come to her rescue. Riley the red car zoomed in. Riley was always the first to respond in times of need. With his bright red paint and speedy wheels, he was hard to miss. He pulled up beside Maddy, ready to assist. Big Tim the dump truck rumbled over. Tim was strong and reliable, always there to lend a helping hand. His large frame and powerful engine made him perfect for tough jobs. He parked next to Riley, his engine still rumbling. Bella the blue bus rolled up. Bella was the calm and collected one of the group. She was spacious and comfortable, always ready to provide support. She gently rolled to a stop, her doors opening to greet Maddy. Sparky the sports car sped to the scene. Sparky was the energetic and enthusiastic member of the team. His sleek design and fast speed made him perfect for quick responses. He screeched to a halt, eager to help.
"What's wrong, Maddy?" Riley asked, his headlights shining with concern. The rest of the group gathered around, their engines idling as they waited for Maddy to explain the problem.
"I hear a funny noise." "Clank, clank," Maddy replied, pointing to her car's engine. The sound was loud and unsettling, making her worry that something serious was wrong.
"We'll help you find it," Bella said reassuringly. The friends quickly got to work, each using their unique skills to diagnose the problem. Riley checked the tires, Tim inspected the engine, Bella looked at the battery, and Sparky examined the exhaust. Together, they were determined to get Maddy back on the road.
The friends looked everywhere. Big Tim checked under the boxes. Bella peeked behind the tires. Sparky searched under the workbench. Riley looked inside the toolbox.
"Do you see anything?"
"Not yet, but we'll keep looking."
Riley continued to search. He looked in all the corners. He checked under the rugs. Then he saw something.
Hey, what's that?
Riley asked. He pointed to Maddy's undercarriage. There was a bolt. It was loose.
A loose bolt!
Cried Maddy.
That must be the clanking sound.
Maddy used her wrench. She tightened the bolt. Clank! The noise was gone.
Hooray! You found the problem.
Maddy was so happy. Her friends had helped her. They worked together, and they found the problem.
Thank you, everyone. You're the best friends a tow truck could ask for.
You know, Maddy, sometimes we all need a little checkup.
Yeah, it's important to take care of ourselves.
Maddy realized they were right. She had been so busy helping others. She forgot to take care of herself.
You're right. I need to take better care of myself. Then I can keep helping others.
Maddy decided to get a tune-up. She also promised to rest more, and she would ask for help when she needed it. Maddy learned a valuable lesson that day. It's important to take care of yourself. She had always been independent, priding herself on handling things on her own. But when her car broke down on a busy highway, she realized that sometimes, no matter how capable you are, you need a helping hand. And it's okay to ask for help. Maddy called her friend Jake, who was always good with cars. Jake didn't hesitate for a second. He grabbed his tools and drove out to meet her. As they worked together to fix the car, Maddy felt a sense of relief and gratitude. She understood that asking for help didn't make her weak. It made her smart. After all, that's what friends are for. They are there to support you, to lend a hand when you need it most. Maddy and Jake high-fived after getting the car running again. It was a small victory, but it felt monumental. They celebrated with a quick drive to their favorite diner, laughing and reminiscing about old times.
From that day on, Maddy and her friends always looked out for each other. They made a pact to be there for one another, no matter what. Whether it was a flat tire, a dead battery, or just a bad day, they knew they could count on each other. Their bond grew stronger with each shared experience, each moment of support and understanding.
They knew that with teamwork and friendship, they could handle anything. Together, they faced challenges head-on, knowing that they were never alone. Their friendship became a source of strength, a reminder that they could overcome any obstacle as long as they had each other. And so Maddy's car troubles turned into a lesson about the power of friendship and the importance of being there for one another.